Hi, my name is Dipen Gada. I am running with the firm Dipen Gada & Associates since last 23 years. Our normal works is composition of architectural works and interiors and end product. Classic bold minimalism, that is what we follow. But our final goal is to achieve the result, and this is the word which we have introduced by ourselves is Sahaj. Sahaj is effortless. Whatever we do, our final goal is our design should felt like it just happened. Client's brief was very simple. My requirement is 6 bedrooms. My requirement is simple. The moment I visited the site, I fall in love with this place. Cause this tiny site is full of greenery. The key location of 20 grown trees is the design influence, you can say. Fortunately, we have saved 17 out of 20 because they are there before you come to the plot. Actually, this plot comprises of 3 different plots. Every location there is tree at the key point location. The moment we enter, we can see a huge cantilevered portion which is covering to the front facade. So here we have worked out the cantilever facade and cantilever terrace, and all the grown trees is been given a nice cutout in a way that not a single trunk is been affected. The front area is been designed as a public area. At the same time, there is one puja area here, and the backside area is comprised of you can say private area or one bedroom, another bedroom in this area, dining which is a double heighted area, and a central area with the services, you can say. We have tried with the floating terraces concept that we can have a nice green space at the front. We can have green space at the top. The front green space is covering to the living room area at the below. The puja, this is puja actually, and the staircase location has been crucially located in a way that we can get through lights and through aeration overall throughout the day. Now we have kept this dining area double heighted area. Not only that, a nice cut is been given on the top where the sunlight can penetrate on the concrete wall and concrete facade. One above each other, ground floor is having 2 bedroom, first floor is having 3 bedroom, and on the top floor there is one more bedroom, one fantasy toilet and one lounge area. Long passages associated with public area and the private area. These are the areas which is giving nice play of light, sciography, interaction, you can say, between these areas, giving indirect light to the other areas which is associated with front and back. As far as material palette is concerned, we have used major 2 elements. One is exposed concrete and second is exposed brick. Normally we have experienced such kind of materials very well go with each other since years. Concrete we have used at crucial location which is giving the corner and nice backdrop. Brick we have introduced at the level of windows and the openings, and which is nice cuts in between, which is breaking the monotony of concrete. So if you can experience this entire house from in and out, you can see these 2 material use. So overall, in nutshell, I must tell you that this house is an experience for us. Every time when we come to the site, we normally talk to the real hero of the site, which we can say the 20 grown trees. If you can experience each and every area, the areas is been pampered with these green canopies. with the real heroes, I can say, for this site. And I believe we are really fortunate to have such kind of client. And whatever is the end product, I must tell you, it is the result of him and his trust which really came up with this. We can say this is our one of the most loved site, I can say, and that is how we have come with the end result.